Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to see your sent friend requests on Facebook. So if you just sent some friend requests to people and they never accepted it, you're going to know now if they declined it or accepted it or not. Really easy to do. So we're just going to head over to Facebook, and we're going to go on the three lines in the bottom right corner. And then once we're on the three lines in the bottom right corner, we want to click on the Friends tab. And then on the Friends tab, you just want to go to the top and click on Requests. And then once you're on Requests, you can just go to the three dots in the top corner and click on the three dots. And then it gives you an option to view sent requests. Just click on that. And as you can see, these two people I've sent a friend request to in the past, and they have yet to accept it. So now I'm able to see that information. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.